G'day from Australia, this is Rach. Today we're going to quickly look through some blended words. What I'd like to do is just run through them and then give you some examples, but I'd like you to go back through this lesson again and practice saying the sentences so that you can get the tones and the inflections and the way the words are said, because that will help you with understanding and also with using these words. The first one is wanna, which is want to blended down to wanna. Do you want to come over? Do you want to come over? I want to go home. I want to go home. We want to see the fireworks. We want to see the fireworks. They want to try that new cafe. They want to try that new cafe. What do you want to do tonight? What do you want to do tonight? So you can see that it's worth just running through these again and having a practice of, do you want to come over? I want to go home. We want to see the fireworks. They want to try that new cafe. What do you want to do tonight? So that should help you with implementing these words and understanding them as well. The next word is gonna. Now it looks like gonna with that O, but it's pronounced gonna. Going to, gonna. I am going to be late. I'm gonna be late. She's going to be late for work. She's gonna be late for work. We are going to the beach tomorrow. We're gonna hit the beach tomorrow. They are going to love this. They're gonna love this. It is going to rain later. It's gonna rain later. And now we're moving on to gotta, which looks like it should be Godda, gotta. But it's written got to, gotta, got to or have got to. Gotta, pronounced gotta. You have got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. I've got to go. I got to go. We have got to leave soon. We got to leave soon. We got to leave soon. He has got to sort this out. He's got to sort this out. Come on, we have got to go. Come on, we've got to go. Come on, we've got to go. Kind of is kinda, kinda. So that at least looks like it's spelled. She kind of likes him. She kinda likes him. It is kind of awkward. It's kinda awkward. Kinda awkward. I kind of expected that. I kinda expected that. I kinda expected that. That is kind of a big deal. That's kind of a big deal. That's kinda a big deal. That one's a bit tricky. Kinda a big deal. It's the of and a together. So kind of a big deal, kinda a big deal doesn't flow so well. So you would probably more hear kind of a big deal. So there is still kind of there, but it is blended a bit. It's a tricky one. We are kind of in a hurry. This one's similar. We are kinda in a hurry. We're kinda in a hurry. Now, sort of and sorta. So it says sorta because the word is sort of. It comes from sort of, sorta. But again, it sounds a bit like a D is in there. It sounds like sorta. And you will never see these words written as sorta. You won't ever see that written anywhere. You will see sort of written in places, but it will almost always be shortened because it's just blended together. It's one of the ways that we speak faster. So it is sort of my fault. It is sort of my fault. It's sort of my fault. Sort of my fault. I sort of forgot. I sort of forgot. I sort of forgot. I sort of forgot. He sort of promised. He sort of promised. He sort of promised. You could hear that more of a D in there. He sort of promised. We sort of planned it together. 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 That is sort of the point. That's sort of the point. That's sort of the point. Don't know, dunno. Don't know is the same as dunno. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. They don't know what to do. They don't know what to do. They don't know what to do. We don't know where he went. We don't know where he went. We don't know where he went. I don't know. Maybe later. Dunno. Maybe later. Dunno. Maybe later. And you can see that the I has been dropped off the start of that as well, which is part of the speedy language, part of being a little bit lazy too, I suppose. I don't know. Maybe later. Dunno. Maybe later. I don't know where it is. 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 Now, Lemme. Let me check with my boss. Let me check with my boss. This is very similar. Let me check with my boss. Let me check with my boss. Let me have a look. Let me have a look. Let me have a look. Let me guess. Let me guess. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. Let me grab my keys. 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 So you can probably see how beneficial it would be for you to listen to this lesson again, at least once, maybe a few more times as well, and say those sentences. Say let me and lemme and don't know, dunno. Get a feel for it, and then you'll be able to better recognize when you hear it. And of course, then you'll be able to start using it as well. Do me a favor and subscribe. It helps me bring extra lessons to you. Also, let me know in the comments if you like this lesson and if there are any other words you would like me to explain to you or anything else you'd like to see. I'm happy to look at making a video on what you need. So as you can see, it will be helpful for you to go through these again. Just watch this video once, even a few more times, to practice the flow of it so that you can recognize it when you hear it in conversation. Of course, subscribe to Easy Australian English if you'd like more of these lessons, and let me know in the comments